Julius. Okay. Pwede mo siguro dagan lang dawaton. Wait lang ha. Isa yun na kayo. Pwede ang mga batanon kay Sobos. Reenactment of the 1986 EDSA People Power Revolution. This is a small space with a marker of martial law, remembering all those who sacrificed their lives for the sake of you and I. We thank the Lord for this opportunity to be here 40 years after. Will there be another 40 years? You young people will have to decide. Amen. Amen. Walang microphone. Okay. We pause for this. Kay mag-invocation si Archbishop para sa Yukbo nga concert. I think we are hearing the song Magkaisa. This is one of the most popular songs in 1986. So katong mga hantong atong panahon na, pwede gud mong mo-appeal og kanta.